Hello friends, I'd like to show you some mini art models that I built over the last year and a half or so. This is the 1/16th scale Trumpeter. It's a beautiful model. It's out of the box. The only thing is the feather in the cap. I built it up with some cotton batting, but it's out of the box. It's a beautiful model. Takes a bit to put it together, fill the seams and so forth, but looks really great. I'll zoom in on it for you a little bit. Yeah, they're quite stunning. I really love them. Very enjoyable. Great value for the money. I think it cost you like $25. Just hours and hours of pleasure. I'll zoom in on it for you a bit. Yeah, wonderful detail, beautiful sculpts. Let's see if I can spin it around a little bit. There's the front. Yeah, it looks great. It looks really great.
I need to say something. Okay. Think I'm not that lately.
Yeah, totally. I also do that.
Download the instrument and let me say something.
So that's the Trumpeter. Beautiful Napoleonic, of course. I'll show you another one.
It's January 28th, 1547. We're in Croydon, beyond Tudor London's southern boundary. Archbishop Thomas Cranmer.
This is the Currasiur.
He spent the last few hours expecting this and knows what it is in it.
Beautiful. Beautiful detail.
This kind of summons may have inspired dread. The famously tyrannical king has become even more erratic in his language. His most recent death has been carried out just 9 days earlier. But not now. He won't be dispatching anyone from Earth tonight. It is the king's own.
I'll zoom in a bit.
Palace, Cranmer finds the king motionless in his bed. At some 28 stone, around 400 pounds, he remains an awesome figure. But he commands neither fear nor respect. Decades of excess and hard living have taken.
Beautiful model. Hours and hours of pleasure.
Cranmer knows
Again, it's out of the box, with the exception of the plume, le plume, in the cap. Le Currasiur. Show you another one. Whoa. This is the Dragoon. Beautiful.
Young Henry was never supposed to lead England. That honour was reserved for his older brother, Arthur. But when Arthur died of an unknown illness, aged only 15, Henry got bumped up into pole position. 2 years later, he was crowned king. Tall, wealthy, even handsome. Young Henry was something of a sportsman. He loved to recreate the pomp and chivalry of the high Middle Ages through tournaments and contests. But as we've seen, the later Henry was the polar set on this. By the time he died at age 55, he'd endured years of pain and ill health, in stark contrast to the vivacity of his youth. So, how did it come?
I'll zoom in for you.
Was
But
Henry's monstrous condition of his own making, or was he a victim of bad luck? Or, if you prefer, a victim of divine retribution? Let's remember that Henry had ordered the deaths of between 57,000 and
sensational sculpts.
70,000 people, including 2 of his own wives. But it's also possible that his energetic and action-packed younger years led.
Excuse me, I'm just going to get a couple of other ones here.
Henry certainly loved the pageantry and excitement of
Just a moment. There he is. In all his glory.
An 18-day-long festival of physical competition with plenty of eating and boozing thrown in. The idea was to demonstrate unity between the kings of England and France.
Excuse me just for a sec.
Eager to avoid any embarrassment, Currasiur conspired to keep King Henry and King Francis on the same side during the horseback combat event. But an apparently drunken wrestling match later on in the proceedings saw Henry thrown unceremoniously to the ground by his French counterpart. Still, this didn't dampen the king's obsession with physical prowess or his desire.
There's the Legionnaire.